I found a completely free platform that gives you unlimited access to ChatGPT 5, Claude Opus, Grok, Perplexity Pro, all in one place. This is Yupp.AI, and I'm about to show you exactly how to get started with it. I've been testing this for a while, and it actually works. You'll see me generate images, get coding help, and access premium AI models that normally cost hundreds per month. Let's jump straight into the setup. First, go to Yupp.AI. I'll put the link in the description. Click Sign in with Google. This takes 10 seconds. Once you're in, you'll see a text box for you to enter any prompt. Once you enter the prompt, you'll get results from 2 AI models. Now, your job is to rate the models based on the answers. I like this one better, so I'll rate this one. Now the crazy part starts. You'll get a scratch coupon worth 5,000 credits. Then once you click here, you'll see this dashboard with all available AI models. Notice you start with free credits, and here's the genius part. You earn more credits by just using the platform. Here's your model selection. ChatGPT 5, Claude Opus, Grok, Gemini Pro, etc. Each Pro model costs you credits. But watch this. You can earn credits back by rating responses. Let me show you with a real example. I'll ask ChatGPT 5 a riddle. Select ChatGPT 5, type your prompt, and choose if you want it private or public. Note that private responses cost more credits, while public responses cost less credits. Hit send. Look at this response. This is the exact same quality as ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 monthly. Now here's the key. Rate this response. Good rating gives you credits back. This is how you maintain unlimited access. Let's try image generation first. I'll create a logo design and describe what I want. Processing takes about 30 seconds, and there's your professional quality image that would normally require a paid subscription. The credit system is brilliant. You spend credits to use models, earn them back by engaging with the platform. Here's what makes this powerful. You can switch between models in the same conversation. Start with Claude for writing, switch to ChatGPT for coding, and use Perplexity for research. After using this tool responsibly for a few days, you can also earn credits by referring friends and logging in daily. I've been using this for weeks without paying anything. Think about this. ChatGPT Plus costs $20, Claude Pro costs $20, Perplexity Pro costs $20. That's $60 monthly for what you get here completely free. The only catch is the credit system, but it's designed to keep you engaged, not limit you. Link is in the description, Yupp.AI. Try it for yourself and let me know which AI model you use most. If this saved you money, hit subscribe for more free AI tools that actually work. See you in the next one.